Welcome to SKT Engineering. In this video, I will tell you how to create new layers, delete current layers, merge layers, and translate layers. First of all, we will discuss how to merge layers. This is a complete 2D plan. So when I click on the layers, in the drop-down menu, you can see different types of layers. Each layer defines a certain type of object or item or line. W1 indicates window while D1 indicates doors. If I want to merge D1 and W1, then click on the layers, click on merge, right click on the screen and select name, select D1, press OK. Again press enter and right click, select name, select W1, press OK. Now it says you are about to merge D1 into layer W1. All blocks referenced in the merge layer will be redefined. Do you wish to continue? Press yes. Now you can see that the door and window layers have been merged together and are shown by a single color as red one. Now if you want to translate two layers into a new one layer, then there is another method. First of all, I will undo my process. For undo, press Ctrl plus Z. Now to translate layers, go to Manage, click on Layer Translator. You can see your current layers here. And if you want to translate your current layers to a new layer, then click on New. Otherwise, if you want to translate your current layers to a layer which is already defined, then click on Load. I will click on New. I will name it as Door and Windows. You can select the line type, line weight, color and transparency. I will color it. Select color. Select any one of the color. Press OK. Again press OK. The layers which you want to translate, select them. I will translate D1. Hold the control key and select the next layer. I will translate D1 and W1 to the layer Windows. Click on Map. Now you can see your result here. The old layer name and new layer name. Old layer names consist of D1 and W1, while the new layer name consists of doors and windows. Click on Translate. Now it prompts me that translate and save mapping information and the other option as translate only. Keep it in mind that when you have maps from different vendors, then always save the mapping information. Otherwise, it will create curiosity between different maps from different vendors. Now I will translate it only. You can see that my doors and windows layers have been translated into a new layer which is named as doors plus window. You can check it from here. You can see that there is no door or window layers. Rather, a single layer, doors and windows, is shown here. In order to create a new layer, click on Layer Properties, select New by clicking on this icon or pressing Alt plus N. Name the new layer as Block or Rectangular Block. Color it, press OK. When you double click on it, it will be selected as the current layer. In order to create a block, write rectangle, So this polyline is generated into a new layer which is named as rectangular block shown here. Now I will tell you how to delete a layer. Click on layer properties. You can delete a layer by pressing the right click and delete. Now the layer has been deleted successfully. In order to select a particular type of object, by writing the command qselect, this is the shortcut. Now if you want to select layers, select the layer and select the layer type. For example, I want to select my doors and windows, all the items included in the doors and windows layer. So click on it, press OK. You can see that all the doors and windows have been selected successfully. In this video, we learned how to create a new layer, how to delete the current layer, how to merge layers, and how to translate layers. Thank you.